Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about how to get government approved and verifiable computer certificates for the courses PGDCA, DCA, Tally ERP9 and Photoshop and many other courses. Okay? So how to get this? What is the process? Okay? First, you have to install Udemy app from the Play Store. Udemy, Udemy, Udemy. Okay. Then search in the course section PGDCA or DCA or Tally ERP9, or just you can search Surya Narayan, Surya Surya Narayan for the courses that are created by Surya. Okay. So after getting the course, you have to enroll the courses. Okay. And surprisingly, the price is very low. It is for all courses. For PGDCA, it is under 500. Also for DCA and Tally. Okay. So it's very easy to purchase. Okay. Then you have to complete all the lessons, all the assignments, all the projects. Okay. After that, you have to apply for the e-knowledge education computer certificate. How to apply? The process is you have to send a mail including the attachments of your Aadhaar card or any ID card. Okay. Then your educational certificate, the higher one. If you completed graduation, then graduation. If you completed diploma or degree, anything, the higher one. Okay. And then a good resolution photo. That photo will be printed on your certificate. So be careful for the photo resolution. Okay. Then you have to send all these things to the email ID info@eknowledge.in, eknowledz.in. Okay. I just writing it in the scroll. Okay, no problem. After that, you have to pay the additional fee for the certificates, additional certificates. Per DCA, it's now 600 including the postage charges. For PGDCA, it is 1100 including the postage fee. For Tally, it is also 600. Okay. And other courses, after you send all the documents to the mail ID, you will be informed about the additional fee. Okay. Then in 2 or 3 working days, you will get the digital copy, and the hard copy will reach at your home within 10 to 12 days, okay, through a registered post or speed post.
Hi students, now we'll watch how to verify the e-knowledge education certificates. Okay, this is the main website of e-knowledge education. Okay, eknowledge.in. Okay, then we'll go to the updates, then certificate verification. Okay, click on it, then it will open. Before that, we have to open a certificate. Okay, see, this is a certificate, and this is the certificate code. Okay, this is the certificate code 522 CEED. Okay, okay, here this is the certificate verification page. Okay, you have to enter here what this one 522 CEED. Okay, 522 CEED. Okay, click on search. See, student name Dimple Datta, PGDCA 256, certification number, date of birth, and award date. Okay, everything will be available here online. Okay, let's check. See, okay, Dimple Datta, right? PGDCA, clear? So, this is the process how to verify the certificate provided by e-knowledge education. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so why you are waiting? Just enroll for the PGDCA, DCA, and Tally and other computer courses and get certified. And one more thing is there, you can verify your certificate. Okay, I just given the link in the description. You just click and have a look. Okay, thank you and bye bye.